Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the wiring diagram of 400 watts lamp. This is a line 1, line 2, ground and neutral. This is line side. This is a safety switch. This is the load side. This is the switch. This is the ballast 400 watts. Another ballast terminal going to starter or igniter sa B, ballast, mark as ballast. Then N for neutral, going sa the other side sa lamp terminal. Then connected to line 2. Then yung LP is lamp, connected to lamp 400 watts. Then ang lamp terminal, another is connected sa neutral patungo sa line 2. Then another one simple or ordinary circuit and one three-way switch circuit. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is ground, this is neutral. This is a safety switch. This is line side, dito is load side. Then line 2 connected sa switch 1, switch number 1, one gang or single pole. Then series sa three-way switch number 1. Then yung common, then ang A sa three-way switch connected sa other terminal A sa three-way switch number 2. Ang yung B connected sa other B sa three-way switch number 2. Yung common naka-connected sa bulb, other terminal, and other terminal sa bulb naka-connected sa line 2 tungo sa safety switch. Then yung switch 1, other terminal going sa bulb number 1 terminal. Then other terminal sa bulb 1 is going to line 2. Then pwede dito pa ilawin ng three-way switch. Ilaw ito. Then pwede patayin dito sa switch number, three-way switch number 2. O pwede din pa ilawin dito, i-on. Pwede patayin dito sa three-way switch number 1. Then Bible verse of the day. Meaning Romans 14 verse 12. So then every one of us shall give account of himself to God. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory. Puno na, 2 minutes na lang.